today I'll be making couscous.
The full list of the ingredients are in the description box below.
Let's get cooking. I start with my chicken with salt and my herbs and spices, some onions, and some chicken stock cube. Some thyme and curry. And some parsley inside. That is prawns. I fry my chicken. So guys, my chicken is ready, and I did not put it in the kitchen paper because I need some of those oil in my couscous. The prawn is ready, and in my couscous I'll be using the prawns water to soak my couscous because the juice, the ingredients, all the good taste of it isn't inside that water. So that is the water I'll be using for my couscous. My couscous already been soaked, so in my couscous I have green beans and carrot inside already while I was steaming it so that they get done together already. So I'll put it in the bowl to put the many of my ingredients inside. Look at that. It's looking so good. So coloring. I'll be putting my chicken and prawns inside now. And the many of my onions. And my raisins inside. Then I put my corn inside, mix it very well. Guys, you need to try this. It's so yummy and tasty. It's amazing. Then I put my spring onions inside at the last. So after I've mixed all this together, guys, you will need to go back into the steamer for another 5 minutes. You only need 5 minutes because everything in here was already been cooked and they are ready. It's just the onions that I wanted to cook, so everything is ready here. Just 5 minutes only. That is all you need.
Hi guys, just want to remind you not to forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notifications to never miss a new or salt video.
So guys, my couscous is almost ready. I'm ready to eat. I'm so hungry. Try and make this. It would be so amazing. You will love it. It's so tasty, so great. It's really yummy. So guys, have fun making it and drop me a comment when you've done it.